Today, I am partnering with GHD to give you 3 different hairstyles using the new Duet Blow Dry Brush. It's a 2-in-1 hairbrush, and I am so excited to show you these looks. First look I want to create is a bouncy blowout. Turn it on. I am so big on protecting my hair from heat, and the biggest thing that I love about this is I can bring it from wet to blow dried with no heat damage. Look at this shine just after a few passes. Lifting the brush at my roots to ensure I get the most amount of volume. Look at that volume. Even though the tool already gives 3 times more volume, this will just lock it in place even more. This looks like I just walked out of a salon. Let's transform this bouncy blowout into a smooth and sleek style. So rolling it on the ends to give a soft I just bend. Love that my hair still feels so light and voluminous. Let's move on to the last style. Create a loose wave in the hair. All we're gonna do is wrap the hair around the beginning part of the barrel, slightly drag down, unwind, and we're gonna create a very soft wave in the hair, and then we're just gonna repeat that pattern going all the way back and bring the top section down. It takes a little practice getting the hang of it, but once you have it, you are not gonna wanna stop doing it.